To fix a Frigidaire dishwasher that is not washing, start by checking the power supply and ensuring the dishwasher is properly plugged in and turned on. Next, verify that the dishwasher is receiving water by checking the water supply lines for kinks or blockages. Make sure the water supply valves are fully open and the filters are clean. Check the dishwasher's cycle selection and options to ensure they are set correctly. The dishwasher may not be washing if it is set to a dry or rinse-only cycle. Select a wash cycle and check if the issue persists. Another common cause of a Frigidaire dishwasher not washing is a clogged filter or dirty spray arms. Check and clean the filter and spray arms to ensure they are free of debris and food particles. Use a soft brush to clean the spray arms and a mixture of warm water and vinegar to clean the filter. If the issue persists, check the detergent dispenser and ensure it is functioning properly. The dishwasher may not be washing if the detergent dispenser is clogged or empty. Check the dispenser for blockages and refill it with the recommended detergent. Finally, check the dishwasher's error codes to determine if there is a specific issue that needs to be addressed. Frigidaire dishwashers often display error codes to indicate the cause of the problem. Check the user manual or the Frigidaire website for a list of error codes and their meanings. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Frigidaire dishwasher. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help prevent issues with your dishwasher and ensure it continues to function properly. Remember to always refer to your user manual for specific instructions and guidelines for your particular model.